Welcome to Capital CFD's training tutorial on how to place a stop to enter either a long or short position using an OCO order. So if the market rises rapidly and your long position gets triggered, then the short position will get cancelled automatically. So I'm logged into the live trading platform at the moment, and we'll have a look at the Aussie 200 CFD, which is bouncing around the 417172 at the moment. Let's have a look where the actual chart is so we can identify what sort of trade we'd like to do here. So remember, what we want to do is put a condition. If the market rises a little bit, go long, or if it falls a little bit, go short. So let's have a look a little bit closer here. We'll zoom in. Okay, so let's say, for example, we wanted to only buy it if the market rose above 4180, or we wanted to short sell if the market fell below 4160. So it's just a sample idea. So during news items, this is a great strategy, or just prior to news items, because the market will usually rocket one way or another depending on what that news item is saying. So let me just minimize that, and let's go back into the Aussie 200 CFD, the index CFD, and all I need to do is click on the order button. Up pops this screen here. So what we're going to do, remember we said we'll buy if this particular trade, we'll buy one if it goes above 4180, and we can actually put a stop and limit on this as well. So let's say with our stop, we'll place a stop 25 points away, and we'll put our profit target, which is our limit order, let's put that 50 points away, which is double the size of the stop. So if the market rises and goes above 4180, we will go long, and we'll have our stop and limit set accordingly. And then all we have to do is click on the OCO order, create OCO, and in this case the button is the opposite of the first one, which is to sell, and we're going to sell if the market goes down to 4160, and once again we can put a stop and limit order. So with our stop, we'll put that at 25 points away, and we'll put our profit target order at 50 points away, like so. So let me just recap what we've done there. What we're saying is if the market rises and goes above 4180, let's enter the position long, and then if that's done, place the stop and limit order. And then the second part of the order is if the market falls and it goes below 4160, to sell and put these stop and limit orders in accordingly. So we can also have a look at the summary here. We're going to buy one if the Aussie CFD, Australia 200 Index CFD, goes to 4180, good till cancelled, with our stop and limit, or OCO that order, which means one cancels the other. So if either of these gets hit, the other one will immediately get cancelled. We will sell one Australia 200 Index CFD at 4160, good till cancelled, and when that order is done, place the stop and limit order accordingly. So all we need to do is click on submit. Order was successfully created, and you'll get an email confirmation of that as well. Click on done and pop back into the order book here, and you can see buy one, which is new, at this price, 4180, that's the current price. And with the OCO order, we'll sell one at 4160, and that's the current price. Now you may be saying, well, hang on, how can the current price be both 4171 and 72? That's because when we sell to the first buyer, and when we buy off the first seller, which is 4172, hence that 1 point discrepancy there. It's actually the way it should be. So that's how we place a OCO order if we want to enter long or short. Usually works best in rapidly moving markets, especially around news items. So keep a lookout for that one, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.